so much. And you're good to go.
Hello, everyone. We're building swarms. Basically, we've seen that agents are starting to pop up a lot. And there's 4 very big problems with agents. The first one is hallucination. It doesn't matter how big your model is. You can have a model as big as GPT-4. It's still going to be saying some pretty dumb shit sometimes. So that's number one. The second thing is, like, all LLMs have a context window. So no matter how big it is, it's always going to have a window of inputs. The biggest now is 1 million. That's only 30 pages of a business doc. And one AI can only really do one thing at a time. And so, like, all these 3 limitations essentially disable agents from collaborating with one another. And in most cases, more than 95% of enterprise-grade deployments end up with more than one AI. And up until us, there was never a way to orchestrate a bunch of different agents. And so basically what we're building is a way to orchestrate not only just a couple dozen agents, but also a couple thousand. So you can essentially just take any LLMs from any framework, any like LangChain, OpenAI, Anthropic, doesn't really matter. You can take any agent and basically orchestrate them. And so you can get started with pivot install swarms. Super simple, you just copy and paste that in your terminal. And you can literally build agents in less than 10 lines of code if they're loaded. But yeah, basically, like, you just put a name, system prompts, whatever LLM you want to use. We have literally dumped this down to infinity and beyond. So anybody can build an agent, and orchestrating agents is also very simple. And I'm going to present a demo that I was working on with John yesterday. So basically, it's we're going to detect the spam email with 3 agents. So this email here is saying, we helped this email find you well. Records indicate that your account has not been verified within the last 12 months, which is a very common spam email. I mean, like, very, very common. And we have 3 agents here that are going to communicate and collaborate with each other to essentially detect whether or not it's spam. And so we ran the 3 agents, and this is what they said. So the first agent here is going to essentially look for words commonly found in spam words, free, limited time offer, urgent, and the sender reputation. And so it's going to look through these different structures and try to determine whether or not it's spam or not. And so we have the final agent which says, based on the extracted features, we have classified this email as spam. The email contains numerous spelling and grammatical errors, which is a common characteristic of spam emails. The email contains multiple hyperlinks and urgent language, which are also often used in spam emails to entice recipients to click on malicious links. And so this is a very common spam email. This email right here was sent like thousands of times. Basically, we've had over 1 million downloads, and you can get started with this QR code. If it would.
Woo! Thank you. And Novelty Y, please come up. And the next 30-second pitch.